In this video, I'll show you how to find apps on LG TV. Step 1. Open the launcher. Grab your LG remote and press the home button. This brings up the launcher bar at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Browse installed apps. Use the left and right arrows to scroll through your installed apps. Common ones include Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. Step 3. Access all apps. Can't find your app? Go to the icon that looks like 9 dots or says App List. This shows every app that is installed on your TV. Step 4. Search for the app. Select the search icon on the launcher. Tap the app's name using the on-screen keyboard to find and open it instantly. Optional: Reorganize apps. Highlight an app, press and hold OK to move it. This lets you keep your most used apps like YouTube in easy reach. And that's it. That's how you find any app on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you.